What's up YouTube? KidMoto22 here. Today I'm going to be doing an install of my front floorboards on my bike. I will be installing the original Garage Moto honeycomb style floorboards. These things are absolutely fantastic in style, in design, in quality. If you don't know who original Garage Moto is, you should get out there, take a look at them, find them on Instagram, find them on the web. These guys make great parts. They're really for your performance style motorcycles and their quality is fantastic. I cannot say enough good things about how well constructed these original Garage Moto parts are. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get to the install right now. Welcome back YouTube. KidMoto22 here, and like I said in the intro, I'm going to be installing these footboards from original Garage Moto, and if you guys can see this, these things are some great footboards. The quality of these things is absolutely fantastic, so let's go ahead and get these open, take a little bit of closer look at them, and get to that install. All right, so there you go. You can take a look at these footboards, just really nice, very solid footboards. There's knurling on the top that's got just the right amount of grip to keep you feeling very planted. I like the shape and design of these. Gives you a little bit of room if you're really getting deep in the corners. It has that nice shaved off appearance to it. And again, these are really solid footboards. I can't say enough about the quality, and again, you get the original Garage logo on the outside. So install for these is super easy. All you're going to need is a 7/16 and again, same 7/16 for the removal of the bolts. We're going to use the original hardware since they do install essentially exactly the way that the stock footboards are on there, with just the bolt and on both sides. So very easy for the install. 2 bolts, these things come right off. These will go right in the same place. So we'll go ahead and get the old footboard off, take a look at that compared to these, and then get them installed. All right, so you can see the original footboard has been removed. It is significantly heavier than the original Garage footboard, probably 1/3 of the weight at least difference in between the two, and they're significantly different in shape. The only thing I would say from a person riding is you may find that you don't have as much room to move your foot around. Obviously this footboard's a little bit smaller, and it's a give and take, right? So the stock footboard is longer, right? But the original Garage footboard is a little bit wider. So depending on your comfort level, you may or may not like the size difference. I am gonna really like the size difference. I have found more oftentimes than not, I like to move my foot out further this way than I do forward and back. And I have highway pegs on my bike, so that really doesn't make much of a difference. But the weight difference is amazing. Not only that, but just sheer look and appearance. The original Garage Moto, obviously, I mean, these things are some badass footboards. So we'll go ahead and do the install. I did want to show you, so this is what an original bolt is that was removed for the footboards, and these are just going to go right in here. They fit perfectly, no problems there. So we'll go ahead and do the install of the footboard. It's going to be a super easy install. It's literally 2 bolts. So there we go. We'll go ahead and do that install and then give you guys a look at what it looks like. All right, now time to get to the install. From here on out, the install portion is very easy. There's part of the mounting is here and the other part is up here. And you can see that that is directly where the mounting brackets are going to go, here and here. They'll fit in just like that. So it's just going to slide right into place, and the mounting hardware goes, we use the same mounting hardware that it came with, and it's going to fit right in there just like that. I mean, very easy install, hardly gets any simpler than this. 2 bolts on each side, that's it. So we'll go ahead and get this installed right now. And there you go. That's it. That's all it takes for the install. I would say without front lowers on there, it would be a little bit easier to do the install, but as far as the install goes, this was very easy, and they bolt right up. Well, there you go. There's the install of the original Garage Moto floorboards. If you saw my comparison of the original floorboards that come on the bike and the original Garage Moto floorboards, you can see that there's quite a bit of difference in size. The original Garage Moto floorboards are a little bit smaller, but it kind of fits that performance aesthetic, which is really what I'm going for in terms of the looks of my bike and what I'm going to be doing with my bike long term. I'm really going to enjoy running these. I like the serrated top of them, gives them a nice grip. I like the fact that they're significantly lighter than the stock floorboards, and the size really isn't going to make that much of a difference for me. I have a tendency to stretch my legs a lot more forward than I do back towards me, and so in terms of losing a little bit of the length of the floorboard, that's really not going to change anything for me. In fact, for me, it's probably going to be a little bit easier when I come to a stop, put my feet down, that kind of thing. That's going to be an easier setup for me, not having those floorboards there to kind of get in the way of getting your feet down. So I hope you guys like this, the original Garage Moto floorboards that I did this install for. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. I'll put a link to another video up over here or over here that you guys might like. If you like the videos that I'm doing, hit the subscribe button over here or over here. And as always, remember, the subscriptions are free. And please do me a favor, go check out Original Garage Moto and let them know the Kid Moto sent you. Thank you guys. I'm out.